Update on Great American Scream Machine. It is open. As you can see, people are in the queue. They're trying going up the lift hill. Going up there rather slow. I don't remember, but the retrack is finished. The new paint job is finished. And I'm going to get my reaction of the new retrack. I call this a new side credit. Not a new credit. Not a new crossing credit. A new side credit. Separate from the original credit. Alright, let's do this ride now.
Please not push out, pull up in your restraint. Exit to your right, come to these places, man. Don't get it in my friend. The license to row one. Sorry, if y'all think it's all clear?
All clear.
All clear. Somebody get some more. If you're ready to ride the Scream Machine, can I get a oh yeah?
Oh yeah!
Man, that was good. We're talking to be great. So we're gonna try it again. If you're ready to ride the Scream Machine, can I get a oh yeah? Oh yeah, enjoy your ride.
Alright, here we go. Renovation. I can smell the new wood. Alright, just got off Great American Scream Machine. I did a POV, but it didn't work properly. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna get right back on, and hopefully the POV go right. I do got a new phone, so that could explain why. So let's do this again. And it's definitely smooth, that's for sure. There were no jackhammering at all. Alright. forceful. Finally got the POV, finally. Alright, those were my rides on Great American Scream Machine. I've rode 4 times. I managed to finally get the last part of the course of it, because I see my new phone is not working so well, so I have to go back to the old. So yeah, but that was Great American Scream Machine. It is now smooth, and I'm going to have to figure some way to edit this video to make it look great. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.